Huh?
Well, just on doing half the lawn. We've used half a battery on each. So the equivalent of, you know, that's, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes run time. My halfway thoughts on it are, I'm sorry Aldi, but you've failed with this one. I normally love your products. This one is crap. It feels breaky. It feels very fragile. It's just plasticky. There are so many things that it could have been done better. The adjustment is not good. It dips down in the front. Let me have a look underneath. So that's almost full on that little bit. So I haven't even got rocks in here. And so that there is just from hitting pine, the gum tree nuts, and you can see it's taken a chunk out, and we don't even have rocks in here, and it's done it on both sides. I personally think it's too light, which is odd, but it is. It's grabbing here. As you can see, that's where it's digging in and digging in there, and the blade doesn't even reach the hole. Like, you've got a good 10 mil, in fact more there. Can fit my finger under the blade there, and then 2 fingers width to that side. A finger's width basically the whole way around. The motor feels very fragile. Unfortunately, it's a no. It'll be going back.